Hi friends, now I would like to explain one of the Python program how to calculate the area and perimeter of a circle. Let us consider this is the circle and it is the central point. So from central point to the distance to the diameter, the distance to the outward point of the circle is known as the radius. So the formula for perimeter of the circle, suppose I am going to be call it as a peri, right, is 2r, right, and area of the circle A equal to pi r square. So here we know that the value of the pi is 3.141 and something actually, right. By using this one I am going to be calculate the area and the perimeter of a circle, right. But when we are write the Python program in Python, math module is there. The math module can provide some of the mathematical constant values. One of such value is pi actually. So I am using the mathematical constant value pi in math module to write the program, and I am going to be use the two variables peri and a to calculate the area and perimeter of the circle, and I will take the radius r as a the radius r as a input from the user from the console. I would like to take this value in a floating point like 3.2 or 5.6 like that. So for that reason I am going to be use, and how I am going to write area pi r square means I am use this one, right. So I am write this one, this formula as pi into r into r. So this is the pi r square, and 2 pi r, this is very simple, 2 into pi into r actually. I directly go to the Python online compiler and I will execute and show to you. So before I am going to be write the actual program, right, how to attach the Python math module to this program, and there is a constant value or not. To check the pi constant value, I am write import math, and I try to be print the pi value, that is math dot pi actually, the math dot pi value, right. Now I will try to execute this one and show the results to you, and then only I will write the actual program, right. Okay friends, can you saw this one, right. So pi value equal to 3.14159 something else, right. So by using this math module I write the Python program, right. Now I will change my program, right, from right the starting onwards, right. I write the one comment line program to calculate area and meter of a CL circle, and I say that radius in float taking from console, right. So now I given r that equal to, sorry, radius r equal to input, enter radius value, enter radius value, right. So I would like to take this is the floating point. Whenever we know that we are going to be enter from the keyboard, that will be treated as a string, then I will change it using the float function into uh, the type conversion function into the actually the numerical floating point constant, and then I am going to write peri or peri, right, peri equal to, and 2 star 2 star, and I will give some gap for readability. Math dot pi star and r. So I am using the math.py. Here I should include, or I should import the math function, right? Import math module, right, to pi r. And I would like to calculate the area, right? I am take the capital A, and we know that the Python is a case sensitive. Capital A and small a is to be treated as a separate characters, so we should be careful when we are going to be write the output, right? A pi r square, that is, again I am going to be use the constant value pi star r star r. So the calculation part is also be over. Now I would try to print the results. Print perimeter of a circle is that equal to, right, I will give one more gap for the readability, comma, perimeter is existed in the variable peri, right, and area. Print area of circle is, right, comma, I store the value in a, capital A. Okay friends, this is the program, and I would like to run this program and check the results, right? I run this one, right? Again I am going to be giving the 2.5 as the value, because I am consider the radius as a floating point value, and I press enter. So perimeter equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, that means 12, more than 12, right? So 15 point something, and area of the circle is pi r square, that is 19 point something. So the program is executed perfectly, and it generated the exact values. Okay friends, this is the program to calculate the area and perimeter of the circle. I think you all are understanding well. Okay, thank you.